In this Intro to Wireshark course, we're going to learn the basics of Wireshark and how to use it. It's just going to be the basics so you can get up and running and start learning more about networking. So in this video, we're going to cover what the contents of this course looks like. In this course, we're going to kick things off with what is Wireshark. This is going to be where we look at networking, what it is, and how two devices can communicate across the network. This is going to give us some context when it comes to Wireshark, so we understand what it is that we're looking at when we look at Wireshark. To really fully understand what data we're looking at when it comes to Wireshark, we're going to have to understand a little bit about OSI model layers. And so we're going to take a look at the OSI model layers and what that looks like. We're going to cover what the layer numbers mean, what the names mean, what are some examples. We're going to get into just a brief highlight around the OSI model. This will help us better understand Wireshark. But what's interesting is by better understanding the OSI model, we'll better understand Wireshark, and vice versa. By understanding Wireshark, we can get in and start learning more about the OSI model layers. Once we have some concepts down around networking and the OSI model layers, then we're going to get into actually downloading and installing Wireshark and then starting to work with Wireshark. We'll show you how to navigate Wireshark. We're going to talk about some sorting and filtering and some other basic functions. In the end, this is just a quick course to get you prepped and ready to go using Wireshark so you can start learning more about networking.